Hey guys, hi, hey everyone. Can you hear me?
Ah, yes, you are audible.
Just a
Yes,
second, let me just check my headset as well. 1 second.
Yeah, cool. Yes, so we have Shirin, Fasil, Carl, Ram, Alberto, Dwayne. Yeah, good to see. So, how everyone is doing?
Very good, very good. Happy to be back on a call.
That's nice. That's nice. And yeah, I can see Carl. Yeah, yes. So let's go around one by one and let's see what you guys are doing, how you're spending your last 1 week. And we can start with Alberto.
Hi everyone,
Yeah, hi, hi,
Ahmed,
Alberto.
how are you? Long time no see you, man.
Y-
So I have a question because I have the community in school.
Yeah.
Uh, right now we are implementing something like like a promotion, like a offer for the for all the members to change to the annual. Um, they're going to have more benefit, and it's important for us because we can have the the lifetime value. We can get it a little more longer. So my question is, there are already members there that they paid $49, and how we can automate to identify which of these members is changing to the annual. You know what I mean? Because
Got
they have
it.
actually the monthly, and we want to identify which one for this monthly is taking action and buy the annual. Because can I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. So I understood. So you need this in Google Sheet or something like we need to see what trigger we have, kind of
Yes,
member update or something. Yeah. Mm.
because I have this flow, and I take it. When I make it like that, I received information like you explained in the video. I have the names, the IDs, and I have that they are the active, and I have the amount on the membership type. For example, here is the month, but this is the original, the freeze one. So I want an automation that maybe in 1 month or 2 months, this person is taking the annual and to change this database like a monthly to annual. You know what I mean?
Got it. Got it.
Um,
All right. So we can do one thing. We don't have any such trigger as such, Alberto.
mhm. Yeah,
But I'm thinking of one automation. This is the
yeah,
idea with which might consume only few operation.
yeah,
We can list all the members
yeah.
and use array aggregator. So if how many members you have?
2000.
Okay, so we have to list 2000 members and
Yeah,
store in an array aggregator. So this when we connect list members and the when the output more bundle flows, it will be 2000 operation. To save it
yeah,
to two operation or three operation, we can connect to an array aggregator. So we have all the member price and their detail member ID kind of in one array and
yeah.
then we can get all the data from Google Sheet and their Google Sheet data as well in another array. So altogether 4, 5 operation. Now array to array, we can do a comparison. If there is a
Mm-hmm.
change for those changes alone, we'll update the Google Sheet.
Got
That's
it.
something a cost-effective way to build it.
Okay.
So we don't have any trigger to watch such update, but this one you can maybe, you can run end of the day or something. So it might end up in just 10, 15 or 12 operations in make with this kind of idea on array. I believe in one of the optimized workflow class on Monday, Ashia has explained the same concept. So if you
Okay.
want, maybe Shirin can do a Loom video of the same
Yes.
explanation by
Great.
tomorrow morning with our school or something, and
Yeah.
you can easily understand.
Oh man, thank you so much. Yeah, amazing.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
great.
Shirin, just note down this. So just we'll connect list members with the pricing, we can aggregate it, and with the
Yeah,
Google Sheet data, we can aggregate and show the comparison, Shirin.
Yeah, sure.
right. Actually, we need only once a month because the objective, the goal for this thing is to calculate the customer life value per month, every month. So it's okay when we make it 1 or 2 times a month. We don't need it
Awesome.
daily.
So
Yeah.
how many members you were having when you joined our school?
Yes, I tried to bring in it. I talked to Shirin because I want to enter with the other account. That is the admin for our community, and the guys they are very interesting. So I push it.
Yeah,
a little bit
I'm
more.
just checking. So what we are really interested in community building. So this will be easy, helpful for everyone. Like in our group, we have Yusuf. Yusuf joined, like he started his own school on cleaning services. So I'm just wondering, what is your marketing strategy? Are you running Facebook ads or what are you running?
Right now, we are running Facebook ads, and we ping a message in our community. So the people that are new and enter the community, we offer immediately the annual offer. So on the annual offer, we closing with call. So we have the information for the person, and we have a closer, and they call every
Got
members,
it.
and we close
Makes
the
sense.
annual.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got it. Anything else, Alberto? Do you have any
No,
other
that's it.
questions?
You need to think, and maybe we need to think because all our members are from Latin America. They are Spanish speakers, but they are someone that they are speaking English. So we need to think about any strategy, and I can bring for your community, of course.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, thank you. And we have other Spanish guys also in our community, like Henry and all, right? I see,
Yeah,
although Spanish people find it difficult to follow us, still there are people in our community sticking. That's nice.
don't worry. Thank you so
Yeah,
much. So I wait for
thank
the
you.
loom or talk to Shirin to add
Sure,
the
sure,
other.
sure. We'll share. It's 9 p.m. here in Indian time, so we can share you in morning, and then you can follow the same. Yeah.
So much.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Alberto. Yeah. So let's go to then who is available for the next round. Let me see on the member list. Who is there? Who is up? Doing? Yeah, doing.
Hey Al, how are you?
Doing great. Yeah.
Good, 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 good. Cool. So I'll just share my screen. Have a
Yeah. So
question.
you mentioned last time you are doing some job as well parallelly, right? And everything, how everything
Yeah.
is going.
Yeah, it's going really, really well. It's a cold email agency, and I'm automating everything for them from start to finish. Lots of working on the reporting now, but automated the whole inbox, built it inside of Airtable for them. It's really going well with some custom functions, sending emails to clients and getting the rest. Like it's going really, really well. So they pretty
Got
much
it.
just tell me what they want, and I build it, and then we'll see if I can productize it afterwards and sell it.
Awesome.
I'm also
Awesome.
working. Yeah, I'm working with Instantly APIs, which is not as good as Smart Leads. There's a
Mm-hmm.
lot of workarounds and stuff. Sometimes it's slow as well. So yeah, that's it. So it's going well. It's going well. They're really
Awesome.
happy so
Awesome.
far. So it's going
Awesome to
well.
hear. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah,
So
very.
feel free to share your experience in the community. We wish you interact sometimes because initially you were so active. If you can
I
share
know.
your wins or your experience, that would be great. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. No, I definitely will. I'll do a little write up again in there for sure. For
Yeah. So
sure.
people know what you exactly do, and that will be an inspiration for many. Yeah.
Yep, yeah, sounds good, sounds good. Will do. Cool. So I have this automation. The whole goal of it is I have some email campaigns saved in Airtable. I have API keys and workspace IDs saved in Datastore. And now I'm trying to pull in the campaign analytics, and then the end result, what I want to do is basically a campaign report like this, okay? Each campaign, but as you can see, the names are different, but all of the all of the analytics that I pull is the exact same. And I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong with this. So this is basically what because obviously I've broken it up now, trying to go piece by piece by piece. So I'm just trying to, because with the analytics, it doesn't give you, it just gives the analytics and not the like the workspace ID where it comes from, basically. If that makes sense. So you can see here, only open count, open unique count, unsubscribed. It doesn't give the workspace ID or the campaign ID here. That's something I put into the input here, analytics overview with some dates and
Yeah,
oh,
but
I forgot
that
the
you
ID in here.
yeah,
The
but
campaign. Yeah.
yeah, even though it's not coming, it, right? Because iterator and the output bundle is in the same order, right? So even
Yes.
so, what is the confusion here?
So basically, if I go, let me show you one of the runs I did, maybe this one. So here I group them by client, okay?
Yeah,
There you can see, and then this is the campaigns that it pulled, okay? But you see
okay.
that the numbers are exactly the same for each campaign. See, reply count 1, reply count 1, email
You mean
sent
the
count.
data is not consistent, it is not giving the exact data,
It,
that's what you mean?
yeah, exactly.
Okay,
And
okay.
if I go here and I run through it, you will see that it's 1 second. Is it different? You see?
Got it. Could you please give me control? Like request a
Yeah,
control? Yeah.
approve. Boom. I don't know if
Okay.
I'm explaining it well enough.
Yeah, I'm just checking. So we have the data over here, okay, and then you're going through this, iterating this array aggregator, and then you are making the request, okay, and then you are aggregating. Let me see what you are doing here. So here is a problem you mentioned, right? Like key is there. Okay. Okay. So say for example, you are saying you got the same data over here. Okay. Let me go to the diagram.
I think I've changed it a little bit after that, but
Yeah, no worries. Okay, so here, let me see. 40 is get campaign analytics you are doing. So here you are saying you are getting proper data, and here you are aggregating it. Let me again aggregate with the iterator. And you are aggregating by the workspace name, right?
yeah, workspace name, yeah.
Okay, 37. It should be fine. In fact, can you run it with the limited data? I don't want you to waste the operation here. Maybe.
Yeah, I only put 10 there. So
Okay, let me see.
I think the array at the bottom, at the very bottom, there's a, yeah.
Oh my, one second.
Yeah, sometimes this takes really takes a
Yes.
really long time. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes not even working. It's giving a 500 error. And that's when it's 500, when it says 500 internal, that means it's on instantly side, no?
500 means a server error, and we have to retry it because that's something a temporary error, like their server is loaded more, and it happens for Google Sheet, Microsoft, etc. But we have to put a resume error handler. I think Ashia has added one classroom as well on
Yeah.
resume. So we have to add resume and bring the data back and process. That's the only
Oh,
way.
okay. Yeah.
Break will
Yeah,
not work in that case. Resume is great.
is the one, yeah. Yeah, this may take a while. If you want to continue with someone else, then
Yeah, fine.
I'll keep
I
an eye
can
on
come
it.
back. Yeah, no worries.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's fine.
We got error 500,
Yeah, you
as you
see. Okay.
mentioned. Yeah.
Yeah. But
Shall
I
we?
will put the resume on and
Yeah, for now, can you give a run and let me know once it is done so we can come
yeah.
back?
Yep. Sounds
All right.
yeah,
All right.
perfect.
Okay, just a second. Yeah. All right. So who is next? Like, let's go. Let's go. We have, yeah, Carl. Yeah, Carl, how are you doing? You are on mute. Okay, I cannot hear from Carl anything. Let's see. Let's go to Naveen. Naveen, you are on mute.
Yeah, hi. So I was actually trying to do that yesterday's whatever you have put that ads in Studio. So I was
Oh,
trying
okay.
to do with Lovable, but suddenly actually in between I think all the credits evaporated. So I was not updated, but I tried to do with Bolt. So everything went well. Even the web hook and everything actually I connected, but somehow actually it is not hitting the web hook. So now I am trying to open here. I that scenario has not been saved. I could not able to see. So my query is only one thing. At the end of the module, like actually you have connected one JSON thing, and apart from the webhook response, why exactly that JSON thing is there? I could not able to understand.
That is not required. It's a disabled route. I did not delete it. It was part of our testing. So you can
Oh,
ignore it. Yeah.
but actually that is creating, I could, when I'm trying to save it, because actually it is asking me again to that data parameters, actually it is asking me.
You can
So
delete them. You can delete those items, JSON,
oh,
because
so
it
I could
was a
not,
disabled route. Yeah, my bad. Yeah.
yeah, I could not able to save it, but anyway, so it's my bad. I could not able to save the scenario. I'll try, and
Yeah.
if it comes, actually I'll get back to you. But
Got
actually
it.
I'm trying to do it with the Bolt. It's okay, na? Like actually everything has been created.
It's fine. It's fine. So whether Bolt or these, it's fine. So finally, if you wish to try it out, it's good because nowadays everyone is trying vibe coding. So creating
Huh.
small products within their companies, and we are working for actually one of the member Juveria in this community for book automation. I hope you remember, right? We did
Yeah,
like
you
last Christmas.
correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
So in last Christmas, we released book automation. So that's something we are working on. So kind of these kind of products you can easily develop and deploy. And she is thinking in the form of a book or something. So again, similar ideas like ebooks, comics, a lot of things can be automated so people can buy easily with a small amount of money, right? So the same idea, we tried this for ad creation, and this is actually a use case we did for another member in our community known as Jake Settler Run. So
Oh, okay.
Jake Settler Run is a very famous marketing guy in our school. He runs another school to explain marketing, and many members in our group is there in his school as well, known as Yosef and a couple of them. So Jake is using our service, and he did a proper like he advised us to create a product on as part of a service request. We did an ad creation automation, ad creative automation, where he feed landing page. Here in the solution, what we are showcasing is like a product image. But in his case, he provide the URL of a landing page about his business. From there, we'll create ad creatives to
Okay.
to post ads in Facebook. So we did that, and he gave a big shout out in his community as well. There are members from his community joining our school as well for the same. So we just fine tuned it and made it as a product, a smaller version of that. That's what we
Yeah,
did.
this is one of the best use case similar to that book. Na, this ad is actually many Instagram like influencers or otherwise people who this imitation jewelry every day they want to product create one product and actually they want to create. So for them actually it would be a big use case. It can be
Absolutely, and we can add more functionalities as well. With OpenAI as edit option, things like edit, other modification. We can give further inputs like, hey, I didn't like this image. I need to make this change. So again, it will recreate. A lot of things can be done. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, I have booked one-to-one call tomorrow. So with you, I will discuss.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. All right. Anything else, Naveen?
No, as of now today, nothing. Thanks.
All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you. So we have Silvio on the call. Hi, Silvio.
Hey, how are you? I'm just watching today. I don't have anything.
All right. So,
Accomplished.
yeah, got it. So I think how everything is going on. Like last time we discussed, like you were focusing on VAPI or AI voice agents, right? So how
Yeah,
everything
yeah.
is going on? Is everything progressing good, or what do you suggest?
Yeah, always trying to implement something else, to improve things. Yeah, but right now
Okay.
I'm focusing using the AI to get new customers as well. So yeah, working on it.
Awesome. Awesome. Got it. All
Yeah.
right. Okay. Okay. And
Jahar,
Dwayne is,
Yeah,
yeah.
can I ask you one thing? Actually, one query. Actually, yesterday I posted to Ashia also that if it can be done in here also. Okay. So I wanted to create this is a call center use case where in a typical situation actually for in our organization actually 60-70% of the business happens in the call center only, where the floor manager has to take calls and audit at least 30 to 50 calls every day. So this is a manual labor, and he has to evaluate and score this. So for me, actually, the question is if I have to automate this whole process, where manual labor is involved. So whether to automate where the LLM part which evaluates whether it has to be done the call recording or otherwise the transcript of the call. Actually, I am confused. So how to start the scenario? Actually, I could not able to do it. So I posted this. She said actually some of the similar scenario somebody is doing it, or otherwise you people have provided the solution to you somebody. So she will get back to me. She said. You understood my problem?
Got it. Got it. So it is like a evaluation, evaluating the sales BDs, their performance, right?
Yeah. No. So 50-60 calls they have to manually listen, and actually they have to evaluate. Suppose imagine that they can't actually choose the right call also. So if a scoring pattern happens automatically, and actually that system generates all these below par calls, then actually it would gives good thing for them. Then manual labor will be evaporated. Now actually individually listening to calls also it takes around 3 hours. Imagine actually that can be done in 10-20 minutes.
Makes sense. Yeah, got it. Okay, so what I'm checking is, okay, let me check. I have some information on the same. Let me see if I have. So there is just a second. I'm just checking whether there's a recording option for Zoho Begin. Have you heard of Zoho Begin?
Zoho, I heard.
Yeah, so when I was working with a customer on a brisk learning, they were using Zoho Begin. So what happened is they do the normal phone calls from the mobile itself, but they have Zoho Begin installed in their phone. So
Okay.
with this, it will track the duration of the call. And we get that as an API response. Say Jahar, Naveen made these many calls, count of calls, and this is the duration of the call. So to that extent, we were able to get a project in a dashboard automatically using automation. But I'm just checking whether we have a recording as well, but I could not find right now. So maybe this is something we need to check where we can record and get transcript of the call, because these are manual calls, right?
Correct.
So since these are manual calls, we need to get support of these kind of features. Like as I said, Zoho Begin we were using, and we definitely we can get the duration of the call, count of calls when we call via that software interaction. But again, it's a normal call made from the phone. So that was mandatory for all the sales engineers in the floor where they have to install Zoho Begin. So we have to check whether they provide transcript or is there any other similar software. So in that way, it will be possible.
Okay.
I have a
So
question here.
yeah,
So as of now, where it is recording and the manager is checking manually, right? So it should
Yeah.
be recorded somewhere. Where it is
It's a software where actually it would be stored that they can listen.
Okay, as of now, it is recorded in a software. Do they provide any API?
I didn't check actually. So it's a big thing. I need to check.
Yeah, if it is there, then of course I think we can get those recordings and process and convert to the text, and we can do analyze with the LLM.
Oh, that's what. So scoring pattern is there, around 20-30 parameters for each call is there. So automatically they will tick everything now, whether it is this and score.
Yeah, that we can do. Its example is maybe you see in our a video that a sales agent evaluation we have posted in
Correct.
community.
Similar to that only. Correct.
Exactly.
But
So the only
here
thing-
you have done because the call was done by bot. So LLM was connected immediately, but here the human interaction was there, na?
Yeah, it's fine.
Human to human
because
call.
we have the parameters to score, right? And once we get the call audio from that software, it is recorded, then we can do it, I believe.
So for an experiment sake, if I record these calls and save it in a Google Drive, can we retrieve those Google? Then
sure.
transcribe and actually can be done.
Yeah,
Yes,
that is possible.
Okay. Got it. I'll get back to you. I'll try, and if it all anything is there, I'll just.
Sure. Yeah.
thank you, Fasil. So Naveen, just to say, this is the last method. Like if you can put in Google Drive those recordings with name of the salesperson, hyphen recording date, then we can create a report based on this is the transcript, this is the performance on this date from the salesperson. And in this way, we can project a dashboard or reporting structure in Google Sheet automatically.
Okay.
So that person, right, the sales floor manager doesn't have to evaluate the call.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Naveen. Yeah. Dwayne, is the run ready? You're on mute.
Sorry. Yeah, but I spotted something else that I have to get around. So it's fine. I'll send a Loom video. I think
Absolutely.
I
Or you
think-
can even share the scenario access morning. We can check it out. You have to just invite us as a developer or something, or even you can invite via a white labeled email as well with your domain. We can check it out quickly and let you know the feedback. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let me
So
know, Dwayne.
what's the best way to do with it? Because when it's in a client's account, because they invited me, you know.
Got it. So always it's best to use one white labeled email, say automation at Dwayne, whatever your domain.pro. So for instance, you can also provide access to us for a check and all, or kind of, and you can change the password later at any moment. So
Okay.
a general email would be great. So anytime we can access, because we do a lot of scenario debugging. Honestly, Loom videos or blueprints will not solve it. Because
No,
we just have the
it's better to
blueprint
be on.
without live data, right? That's the problem.
Yeah, exactly. No, I
Yeah.
know. Okay, perfect.
Otherwise,
I'll do that.
again, we can do that if you can download the JSON output bundle from both the modules and share
Yeah,
a Loom video. We can do that. That would be easy
yeah. No
because
worries,
we'll
no worries.
imitate it using parse JSON.
Yep, all good. Sounds good.
Okay, thank you, Dane. Carl, are you available right now? Hello, hi, Carl. We cannot hear you. Maybe a mic issue or something. I'm not sure. All right, we'll come back to you, Ram. How are you, Ram? You're on mute.
Yeah. Hi, Jahar. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, so guys, Ram just we met yesterday on onboarding call. Ram joined recently on the club, right? AI club. So maybe Ram, you can give a quick introduction to everyone. Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. So I have about 19 years of experience in IT services companies. I've worked for clients across US, UK, and India. And right now, I've started my own AA agency. I'm based at UK. I have a team back at India. So just started a few months back going on.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah, maybe you can collaborate with folks over here, right? Maybe on UK projects or maybe who are closer here. You can check out the map option, the school, and see, right? All right. Any
Yeah.
questions? Do you have any specific questions for today?
Oh, yeah, a couple of things. One is I saw the VAPI outbound the call videos, voice agent videos that were uploaded from your team a couple of weeks back. So one question I had was, first of all, does VAPI, the free number that they give, does it allow outgoing calls or no, it doesn't allow?
Yeah, hi. So it allows only to the US.
Only to the US. Okay, US numbers I can call, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you will get only US numbers as free, and you
I
can do
believe
outbound
also
to
it's
US
Canada,
numbers only.
no, Fasil? I believe Canada is also included.
I think with the free number we can call to the US only, as of my knowledge, maybe because we get both US and Canada number from VAPI. Maybe with Canada number to Canada also may be possible, but I have to check. As of my knowledge, maybe to US only.
Got it. Okay, that's one. And next thing is so I am trying to hire a tech lead for my team. I have a lot of college freshers that skill set people are available. I have received a few profiles actually. So, but I wanted to know from your experience, what is the best way if I want to hire a tech lead sort of a person for my AI automation agency? What is the best source? For example, there are a lot of training institutes, experienced people in multiple companies. They do this 1 year, 18-month program, and then they want to shift. That is one set. And even in school, in multiple groups, I'm seeing hiring opportunities are available, or probably any other sources available. So source is one question, and second, what kind of evaluation? So again, for freshers, pretty much I give more like a make.com task, with the timed duration, want them to do it. And then I discuss with them. I have built a make.com and innate and workflow, so the basic ones I can manage. But then a lot of profiles I get, people are trained in, AML area a lot. But when it comes to AI automation tools like Make, Innate, and the profiles are very rare. Is it a normal, easy a skill you feel in your experience to pick up? I need not very much, or how do you suggest evaluation?
Okay. So first question is, where is your candidate pool in UK or India? Right?
India.
Okay, India. Honestly, it's very difficult to find the right resource, even for an engineer. Then what happens to a tech lead? That's the real thing, because people knows a lot of, they take a lot of MCA, MS degrees, everything. There are people coming to us for interviews and they have a lot of coding knowledge. Our internal first tool test is on related computer related problems. They crack everything. But when we put them in automation, they are completely stuck. Why? Means most of their projects are like with entire details of what they should do, right? They have the SOW, statement of work, clearly written, what has to be executed, what is the output, everything. But coming to automation, it's all logical. What is the trigger? What is the action? What is the output? What should be happening there? Or if this is not possible, what is the next application? Sometimes people suggest Twilio and multiple combination, but instead of that, we have GHL, Go High Level as other alternative. So it's a combined knowledge. That piece of knowledge or resource is rare in India. So right now, what we are doing is we are trying to groom the members within our team as leads. That's the only solution we are doing, because we have like previously we have a member known as Sarvesh from North India, very expert MCA graduate, and is right now into research as well in government, and he contributed almost 3 years for our company, 2.5 3 years, and he could not move scenarios much in Make, but he can do custom apps in Make because he is good in coding. So again, now if you ask who is performing in our company, I'm from mechanical, Fasil is from electronics. Then we have other members like Abhinav, is again another senior. He is from electrical background. And then we have another member, Rajiv, very senior. He is from mechanical background. So members are of different profile are showing that enthusiasm, learning, logical. So again, there is no guarantee. It's something that you need to groom. That's the only way.
Got it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank
So
you.
right now in our team, we identified potential people. We trained them. They are almost 2.5 3 years. Now we are making them. I know, like since I have worked for TCS or Ford, Polaris, we have 5 years people as leads. Now we are trying to make them as leads. We are giving them trainings. They're just 2 years, 3 years. We are trying to make them as leads. That's what happening.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Okay. I hope you understood, Ram, right? This is a reality that we are facing, right? I'm just sharing that experience. But again, if you go to US or other market, might be you find the right resource, because this AI technology automation has lately come to India, I would say. It's very late. And when we started, I was talking to Fasil. Hey guys, people won't go from our company because AI automation scope is less in India. But now the scenario is different. The top colleges in India, like IIT Madras, IITs, have started 6-month program on Make and Enlighten. So
Okay.
again, in future, you will get the right resource. That's what I believe. But right now, it's very difficult.
Okay. 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 It
Yeah,
helps.
but again, I have seen some of the partners or some of few Indians are there still in LinkedIn, very famous and still open for jobs. Maybe you can try for these kind of guys, but not sure how much trust or honesty they are, and whether they comes to office or not. Depends on your preference. For us, we prefer people come to office, at least hybrid, to have some collaboration.
Got
All
it.
right. Thank you. Thank you, Ram. Any other questions?
Oh, no. Good for now. Thank you, Jayesh.
All right. Okay, let's go to Yusuf. Yeah, Yusuf. So again,
I
I
think
forgot to
that because I
connect
have
my morning time, Yusuf. My bad. And I didn't see your message as well. Yeah, maybe we can connect another time in person as well, 1:1. Yeah.
no problem. So first of all, few things. First of all, if you can help me with the make, I don't know why, but I have a hard time to connect. So I almost done, but for me, I'm not set up. I believe I'm not set up in the filter, right? Because so what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get every users, and then this is for the phone number, but I try to basically search for contact, and then but it's not going through. Like I got new users. Oh, doing something, create a contact. But you see, for some reason it's get some sort. You see,
So that means the contact is already there in your GHL. Yeah. So the search
but it should
contact is
search for a
yeah.
contact, right?
Got it. Just give me
But if I do,
control.
you know what?
Can you give me control? I think there is some search is not working fine. Let's see the connection. You have one connection. Okay, first
The
name,
connection is
last.
good.
Okay, so Shirin, I think you did a GHL part, right? I think is it like you have to use email search or name search, which was working fine in
Yeah,
GHL.
if you open the module under query, you can see all the specification. You can search by phone, name, and email.
Yeah, so email would be better, I guess, right?
Yeah, either phone or email, which are you use.
Yeah. So maybe
So
Yusuf,
not everyone, so I think email should be good because not everyone was leaving the phone. So I believe email should be good.
yeah, say for example, like here it says all the queries in GHL go high level, it says 0 bundle. So that means it's not identifying. Now, if I go to create a contact, say let's take one email. Okay, email is empty. I think, are you mapping email or no? You're not mapping email, right?
They should map email. They should somehow, because I don't have email here. So here it's empty, but no, even here, you see, it's heavy email. Here, see, search answer here.
Yeah, so search answer, is it, let me see all the,
But in the new users, let me just do something. If I pull up the latest, let's say, let
maybe
me
you change the question, right?
choose manually. So if we go to say this was the last one, okay? So the information will look a little bit different now. It will look, let's see, so I have okay, so here first of all I have his email, okay,
Yeah.
and I should have his number.
Yeah, so 1 second. So we have this, we can parse the survey and get everything properly. So if we, let me take control.
Now let's create the contact, by the way. Can you check? Because I know for a fact its contact does not exist. The one I just
No, it did not
pulled.
create, it went with an error.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but this a contact is for sure not exist, for absolutely sure.
Got it. Let's go properly. So there is parse JSON. So since it's a, let's go to JSON module. So if I go to parse JSON, let me map the survey over here. So we have the survey. So this is a survey metadata. So we get a better output for mapping.
How you get to know everything? You know, it's so funny because I spend hours just to, you know, like with these small sheets, like, you know, and I spend hours and you know, so, yeah, anyhow, it's so funny, but at some time, you know, it's just one simple model, right? That make a whole difference, and you can spend hours of your time, you know, and just try to figure it out, and like yeah. So anyhow,
So now we have everything, right? So we have the
cool,
email,
great,
and
yes,
if
great.
you see here,
And also, I want to collect, it's very important to me, first of all, to collect, you see the answer here in the question number 3, because in the question number 3, it's the number, but also the revenue. So if I have the option, because some of them write different answers, so I'm not sure yet if I will change the answers. Oh,
question, you mean
because
you
some
change
of
the
them,
question?
yeah, because you see, in the third question, I asked, please share your phone number and your revenue. So some of them share just the phone number, some of them share just the revenue, some of them. So I just mean that's, know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, that is something difficult. You know, we cannot identify asset because it can be inputted in many ways. But using OpenAI, you can easily tell. Like you can say this is the question and this is the answer. Tell me what is the whether
okay,
answer
so
or
it can
phone.
maybe maybe a good option, you know,
Yeah,
like
so
maybe try.
that's something. Yeah, yeah. For now, I'll just show you with email. If
Okay.
I go,
Yeah,
I'm
email
just.
and yeah.
So what is set variable? What are you doing here? Is this
This is for a
recurve?
phone number. But yeah, see, but anyhow, you can delete that for now because I changed the question. Aisha tried to help me with that because you see, we tried to basically pull up the phone number from variable X, and then
Okay.
some. But
So I'll just put email, yeah. And now it's very simple. I'm just using the map function. I explained this in the classroom. So I'm using map of this, survey,
survey.
right? And I need answer when type is email. So if I run this, let me see.
Ram, it makes sense for you with after 19 years in experience.
Answer type.
Like for me, it's like
No,
it's
19
Chinese.
years
It's-
is 19 years is for Ram. For me, it's only couple of years, yeah. But again, yeah, 8 years into automation mindset. Not the same make or something. Make I'm doing from last 3 years, but it's all about automation idea. So let's see. You got the email array, right? Email is there.
Mhm.
Yeah. So we have everything here. So let me just, it's an array. So I'll just put first as the formula. So it will get the first item. So
Can
now
it
we have,
also grab the first name, the last name, the join date and stuff like that? Because I want to be able
yeah,
to maybe
you have first name, last name here. And
Yeah.
you know, this
Created.
created at is the time
It's
they
when
join.
they're when they join,
Yeah.
so it can be
So
good.
yeah, so that we have. Now I'm just searching by, I just want to try this by email.
By
What
email, yeah.
happens? Yeah.
Mhm.
So I'm mapping this. So let's try this.
Another thing before I leaving, I need to ask because your NA10 guy fixed my problem, but then it delete a lot of things, and some duplicates are there, some duplicates like it was not proper functional, and maybe, and this is what I wanted to ask him because I tried to, but let's finish that first.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay.
So here you can
So-
see we search for the contact. This is not found. It created the contact, right? It created the contact in GHL.
What information he passed? So he passed basically that.
I just mapped like whatever is existing now, like the first name, last name, and the email. You need to map the remaining things. We can map whatever you need. We have that is possible. Just I'm there. Let me run now again with the email because it should not create further, right? So let's see.
But if we okay,
It created for the first time brand 10, and let me run this again. See, it stopped here
yeah,
because
so
it
it's not
already
created.
exists.
Right.
So it's
So if
working
I
fine.
do, and can we do now the same with the phone number or not?
Phone number can be
Can we-
done. Yeah, yeah.
Because
Phone number will also work. Yeah. But why you want to go with phone number?
because I want to add their phone number also, not find by phone number, add the phone number also to the
Contact.
yes, because after
So
that I
where
want
are
to
we
fire
getting
up.
phone number? So where are we getting phone number in the survey?
I usually answer 3.
Got
See
it.
here.
So it's always a third question. Always a third
Yes,
question.
but sometimes it sometimes can be a revenue. If
Yeah,
you want, I
just give
can
me.
go.
Okay, okay. Let's see if we have a pattern identifier here. 1 second. Match elements. Phone numbers. I'm just trying it out, yeah. Whether it will find or not, yeah. So if I provide this test, it should give the phone
Sorry.
number alone. Yeah,
Great.
this is the phone number, and always they're from same country or different country.
And
How is
can you
that?
do the revenue also separately?
Yeah, we can do. We can do. Just
Because
this is
it's
something.
also important to me.
Yeah, let's try. I'm just trying it out, you know, it
Yeah.
may not, for this
Okay.
test case, I'm checking out, it may not work because for all the test cases, there can be some AI needed. That's what I believe, but let's try. So this will extract the phone number if available. if available, phone number. And is it from same country or different country always, the members?
Usually it can be different country, but usually my ICP it's Canada and USA. So usually
Okay.
it should be the same
Okay,
country.
so I'm just putting phone number, another variable. So the idea of phone number is, this module will extract the phone number here, phone number,
Mhm.
and sometimes it can come with or without, like, we have phone number 18K month, right? So I'm
Yes.
assuming if phone number is there, it will use replace function. So if I'm having Jahar and ABC and I find Jahar, so I'll try to remove Jahar by replace function. So whatever is remaining, we are assuming as revenue. This is my assumption. So let me go with the same assumption. This is the third survey question. So I'm putting 3 here in middle for the
Yes.
answer. And then in phone number, what I will do, I'll go with replace option. Replace the third answer with phone number extracted from regular expression with space or empty string. Yeah, empty string. Now if I run, so I got phone number. Let me see if I got revenue. See, I got 18K
Great.
month. I got it.
Great.
And there is some extra space. We can use function on a stream to remove
Or
extra
in
space.
a website, maybe website also,
So we
because
have
some
trim.
of them
Yeah.
some
Got
of them
it.
also put a website. You see here, sometimes it's
Oh, okay. Then we have to use, kind of one more match element, I would say.
yeah, no problem. I just mean that if we
So
can pull up every data, it's going to be
see
very
HTTP
good.
address, HTTP
Great.
address.
Yes.
Yeah, but if it is there, it will proceed.
Great.
Yeah. Let me
I
see.
believe it's answer 2, but not answer 3. It should be answer 2 because usually or
Oh,
even answer
website,
1. You see first.
website is the
Let me
first survey
see.
or second?
Do you currently have? Yeah, you see. So
Okay, the first one, right? It is the first one.
Yeah.
So you can put
Should be.
generally here 1. That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
So you can extract in this way and then you can finally map in GHL. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's all. Now if I run this again, okay, it is not extracting. 1 second.
Well, it's found it, no?
Maybe it did not found in the output. 1 second. 1 second.
Hmm.
Jahar,
Leave the
can I
website.
just ask a question?
No.
Come again?
Can I just ask
Yes.
a question? Okay.
Yeah.
The way that you're doing, it's probably the proper way, but if you had, for example, ChatGPT in the beginning over there that will
Yeah,
understand all
that's
the data and create a JSON that will separate and everything.
That's
I
true.
don't
So
know.
there are 2 options. One is regular expression, and the second that I already mentioned.
Leave the website. It's not that important. The
No,
email and the phone
website we
number.
can do, but yeah, I think Silvio is speaking, right? Initially, Silvio, you're the one who gave that idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
I don't know. I
yeah,
would think that
got
would be
it.
like
So
approach.
Yes, yes, yes. That is what I mentioned in the beginning to Yusuf. With OpenAI, everything is easy. Like we just need to put question, answer. Okay, and this is the output I want in JSON. That's it. But this is something we are trying with regular expression. And that is something, it's free, of course. And I mean, it will consume operation definitely, but it will not consume OpenAI credit. Yeah. So, but regular
Right.
expression, with regular expression also we can do. Let me just show you 1 second. So this is the regular expression. And this is what I want to extract. So dot star, I'm assuming there is www dot, yeah, www dot, then put dot star. So I'm assuming this is the website, for example. This is the format I'm assuming, and I'll take this out, this pattern, come to make.com, and instead of this, I'll go with general match pattern, match pattern. You put the pattern. Let me delete this. See this? We have the website here. So this is one method again, like Silvio said, whatever Silvio said is the easiest method in the terms of like, we don't have to code this much in the regex, formulas, everything, right? So again, it depends upon what we choose and it will consume OpenAI credits, but not that big, yeah. So we have by this website and everything ready. But this is again assuming the data comes in this format. But if the data comes in very different formats, then AI is the only solution, Yusuf. Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see.
If somebody, for
Check
example,
other.
puts
Let's check other. Let's say check just maybe.
Yeah, 1
different.
second. Let's run for this. So you have the website, you have the phone number, you have the email, and you
Right.
have the revenue. Yeah. So variable name you need to change to revenue. It is font right now. So yeah, Yusuf,
Okay.
you want to check
Just
something?
choose. Yeah, so let's check, like, I don't know, let's check, I don't know, choose one, doesn't really matter.
Okay, 1 second. We have phone number everywhere extracted.
Great.
And coming to here, we have websites extracted, but noted, okay, here we are not getting a website. See, this is a problem, I think. We have two
Maybe they
website
don't,
extracted.
because no, but maybe they didn't tell the website. This is why I understand sometimes they just didn't give the website, you know what I mean? You see here is no
Yeah,
website.
they didn't give,
So
yeah.
this is why it's not extracted.
And then I'm just thinking why it became 2 over here. You got only 2 data. Okay, maybe yes. So I have to enable this option, continue. So continue the execution.
Yes.
So then it will
If
process.
it's
Yeah,
empty, just continue, yeah.
yeah. So
Because
yeah,
some of them is because it's not that permanent,
fine.
so sometimes they fill up the
So I just saved this scenario. Yusuf, I solved this issue on this search content and this one. Have a look and we can modify further or use
great,
AI
great,
finally.
great.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Anything else, Yusuf?
Let's get yes, but you see, I'm waiting for another meeting, so I need to jump
Sure.
off, and I
Sure,
will
sure,
catch you
sure,
later.
sure.
Thank you, guys.
Sure, sure, sure.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you. Anything else, guys?
Thanks.
Who else is there on the call waiting for the query? I think Shashi has joined the call. Yeah, Shashi.
Jagar, I reached out to Aisha about my new proposal I have to submit, right? So I'll work with her, try to discuss on the how we can build the automation. and then I'll build my proposal. I'll set up one-on-one with you just to review my proposal, and then I'll send it to them next week.
Got it. Yeah, got it. And if Ashia is not responding, maybe because of projects or something, even ping Shirin, so she can coordinate with
Okay.
Ashia because she might miss school messages. Since she is working on projects out of 8 hours, 6
Yeah.
hours on project.
Yeah.
So, but you can ping me or Shirin so that Ashia can be noticed and then she can connect instantly, right?
Yeah. I just need some guidance on how we can build. Once I get some guidance, then I can, take it from there.
Okay, what else, Shashi? Like, how is your, are you getting more clients? I mean, discussions. How is it? Are you able to do some webinars or some calls? How
Yeah,
are you meeting customers?
I'm doing more webinars, talking with more people. So this month I have one, and I'm doing one in the chamber next week, August 5th. So I'm thinking for August 5th, I am preparing more demos to show them about voice agent and all that. So I'm having some issue with my VAPI and Make connection. I sent a message to Fazil. Maybe he can see how we can fix that.
Got
I'm
it.
thinking it's something simple I'm
You
missing,
want to
yeah.
showcase now?
Yeah, I could, yeah.
And
And
that's really great to hear, right? You're doing the webinars, discussions, and guys, just want for your understanding, Shashigala is in US and she's kicking off her own AI agency in US. Yeah.
Can you see my window?
No.
Okay.
Okay, now it's loading. Yeah.
So if I'm getting some error message here, when checking availability is working good, but when I do the booking through VAPI,
Okay.
it's not working.
Can you click on the attempt error? Yeah, and show what is the error? Okay, start date is not passed. Can you go to the history, general history? Click on the history tab. Yeah, click on the success option. Okay. 404 not found. Can you go to the latest history? Go back to the history again. The first one. Top one details. Yeah. Okay. So can you show the webhook output? Can you click on the bubble? The bubble instead of this, the bubble, yeah. It's empty. So data
Yeah.
is not coming to the webhook.
Is that because the date when I did in VAPI, I was saying that, I want to book for Wednesday 1 p.m. I did not give the date exactly, like July or June.
That can be adjusted with prompt using now function. Yeah, Fasil, can you answer the same? I think this is on the
Yeah.
configuration.
Yeah, even if you set the time only without a particular date, it will work. It's something else. Maybe the webhook configuration is not good. So that's why you can see the webhook output is completely empty, not even any data. So that we have to check where you have pasted this webhook, right? So can you just show me, is it under the tool only or somewhere else?
Yeah. In VAPI tools, if you see in the book appointment, I have this is my
Okay.
make.
TMA. Okay, can you show me?
And one thing I made was like, okay, string. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, can you show me make? Just want to verify the webhook address. Can you click on the webhook? No, not in the history, in the diagram.
Go back to the diagram option, Shashi.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
Just scroll towards right.
You can, yeah, it's correct
Okay.
only. It's correct only. Now, Okay, now I think the issue with the prompting. So maybe it is calling the tool before collecting all the details. That is the another possibility.
Something here I'm missing in the prompt.
You simply copied and paste the same prompt, right?
Yeah, I changed little bit because I'm doing this for a daycare center. So I changed little bit, but nothing major though.
I think the tool is
I can-
getting triggered before collecting all this information. We need many parameters like date, time, and phone number, everything, right? For booking.
Mhm.
So I think that's why it's getting an empty data bundle.
Okay, okay, maybe I'll check again. But if I, maybe if you have like time tomorrow, sometime just
No
15
worries, no
minutes.
worries, no worries. You can invite us to your account, then we'll check. No worries.
That is
Okay,
also fine. So
sounds-
Shashi, maybe I think Shirin has already got invited to your Make account, or how is that?
No, I have not given any access to my Make account to anybody
Okay,
yet.
or you can invite. I'm just putting
Okay,
admin email.
okay,
So you can invite
okay,
your WAPI so we can check what configuration has gone wrong. And
okay,
you can invite to your Make account as well, and then we can check it and explain you with a screen recording. This has gone wrong, and then you can rectify. Yeah,
okay, okay, sounds good. Thank you.
that would be great. Okay. Anything else from your side?
No, not right now.
All right, so guys, we are out of time. I know almost crossed 9 minutes. Yeah, so before we leave, yeah, I think again we have to focus on our main objective. If it is AI agency, okay, let's focus on AI agency. If it is to automate our business, let's focus on that and focus on our domain niche. And please book your 1:1 strategy calls with us so we can discuss more, right? How to improve where you are at this stage, and see, we need to get some fruit out of these calls, right? So for that 1:1 call will be really important. And I think you guys would be aware of our update in the office as well. So we just moved to a new office, and I just wish to showcase you just a quick glance. We just joined a new office, and it's almost night here, 10 p.m. So no engineers are there, but you can just see. I think you guys can see the office. We have a sales
Oh, it's
room
beautiful.
separately, and we
I
have
heard you
person
guys have a
sitting.
nice, beautiful view.
Yeah, and we have the marketing team sitting over here. Right now it's empty being night. Yeah, we are the only one in office. And Ashia left the office late. So we are the last one to leave the office. And this is the engineering room. Yeah. So just
It's a
wanted
sea
to
view, huh? Is it a sea view?
no. It's a Highlight Business Park, and
Acha,
it's
Highlight
just
Business Park now. Okay,
yeah.
right.
Yeah, and we have a studio room over here. Yeah. So just want to
That's
showcase.
really nice. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. So it's all about, yeah, you guys are it's all about how you guys are also supporting us, and that's inspiring us, right, to move on, expand, right? So thank you to you all again, and let's grow together and let's make bigger wins. That's why I said let's make 1:1 calls, and let's see what strategies are there, which will go, what is wrong and what is right, and let's improve and focus on our real roadway to get into success. Yeah.
Great, yeah.
Sounds
Congratulations.
good.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Also, we'll meet again. And if you have any other ideas, suggestions to improve in our AI club school, please feel free to share, and so that we can improve there as well. We are always open to suggestions. We are happy to listen to you. So feel free to share. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we shall meet again next week with more updates. Yeah. Have a great weekend ahead as well. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you.